Hey, Edgars from Funneltopia here. A new feature has been added related to documents and contracts in Funneltopia. And in case you didn't know, there's a full documents and contracts functionality under payments, documents. If you check it out here, payments, then you go to documents, contracts over here, right? That's a whole new think DocuSign. This is a good replacement for it. That's within Funneltopia. And when it comes to the functionality, if you go to settings, the new feature, you can customize either for customer notifications or team notifications. So you can customize the email subject line. And as you can see here, you can also add custom values, which are under here, right? You can just kind of select if you don't know by, if you can't type them out, you can find them here. So yeah, make sure to go check those out. These are for both, you can edit these notifications or subject lines rather for both documents received, documents signed. So yeah, and if you have any questions, make sure to click here, the bubble, 24/7 chat support. And also if you're a VIP client, then down in the main dashboard, you'll see an extra option to schedule a one-on-one call for bigger questions. Make sure to use that as well. And yeah, if there's no more questions, then I'll see you in the next video. Bye.